Hey, what up, dudes and dudettes? The name's Chef Bags from Heavy Metal Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you guys my wing marinade. So what I got here is about 2.5 pounds of wings. You find them at the grocery store. They come frozen. You will want to thaw them out. Now we'll start with the wet and move on to the dry. He said wet. First, we start with some olive oil. We don't measure that. We just use our heart. Then we'll do about 1/2 cup of beer. You can use any kind of beer you like. I went with PBR. Then we'll use a couple dabs of Worcestershire. We don't measure that again. We use our hearts. And now we move on to the dry.
Ben Shapiro's wife.
We'll do a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of garlic seasoning, and lastly, a tablespoon of chili powder. Now we get our hands dirty and mix her up real good. From here, we put them back in the fridge and let them sit overnight. And then the next day, you can either bake them off and then fry them, or just flat out throw them in the fryer. We happen to use the air fryer, so there's minimal flavor exchange. And the best part about this marinade is you can use it with any kind of sauce. It's not like it's better with some sauces, but not as good with others. You can use this with buffalo, barbecue, teriyaki. My wife uses garlic parmesan, and it's great for all of them. Or you can eat your wings naked. Yeah, naked. Naked.